Myself Lakshmi Kumari Agrawal, in charge headmistress of Gopinath Government High School, Kudai, Soro Block. We invited and conducted a 4-day program over 4 weeks to the TAO team, Tinker on Wheels. And this program is so unique and enriching educational program of TOE. It proved to be a milestone for our students and assisted them in discovering their career aspirations. Each and every session of this TOE was very inspiring for the students and very educative. The children learned a lot from this program and they also wish to go a long way with this TOE team and do very big experiments in future.